everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing super good because we have finished all our letters so nicely, does it? Okay, so welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap, and in today's class we will learn something very new and very interesting. I'm sure you're gonna take interest in this one. So what's in it? So it's about two letters writing. Today we will learn how to join two letters and how to write them together. Let's get started the class. Okay, so we will just have to trace and write the two letters. Okay, so quickly grab your pencils everyone. First I will show you with dotted lines. Okay, trace करना है आपको बस like this. Now I will make without dotted lines. Like this. We just have to join these two letters by joining them. Okay. Now see, I'll show you one more time. It's very easy and interesting. You will learn it by practicing. Okay. Very nice. Keep doing it. Now rest you will do on your own. And if you have any problem, you can take the help of your mother, okay? Or you can watch my videos also. Everything is there for you. But you have to first make with the tracing dotted lines and then you have to write here, okay? It's very easy. Alright, so you will complete this page and then show it to me. Alright, I will see you in the next class. Till then, complete this page and happy learning everyone. Bye bye, take care.